For this scientific notation problem, you want to notice that you have the same base. When you have the same base, you keep that base the same. So, an example of this, if you had x to the third times x to the seventh, what you're really looking at is x times x times x. And then here you're looking at 7 x's. So x times x times x times x times x times x times x. You count them all and you would find that you have 10 of them. So you'd write that as x to the 10th. So remember, the product rule says we add these exponents. So when you have a base of 7, you keep your base of 7 and you add your exponents of -8 and 3. -8 plus 3 is -5. So right now, take a look over here and you're going to notice that there are 2 things that are raised to the power of -5. Only one of them has a base of 7, so your answer is choice C. When you start, you could immediately rule out A and B because your memory knows I don't mess with that base, I keep it the same.